The Mahindra Scorpio-N is building up on the Indian carmaker's reputation when it comes to safety. It's the first body-on-ladder Indian SUV to receive 5-star crash test rating in the recent assessment conducted by the Global NCAP. The Scorpio-N received 5 stars in adult occupant protection, scoring 29.25 points out of 34 points. In child protection, the Scorpio-N secured 3 stars with a score of 28.93 points of a possible 49 points. The Maruti Suzuki Espresso, Ignis and Swift were also crash tested by Global NCAP under the Safer Cars for India campaign. All 3 cars have been made in India and are exported to various markets, including Latin America and Africa. All models have fared poorly, receiving a 1-star rating from Global NCAP. All 3 models have been crash tested earlier as well, but this time around, these cars are tested under more stringent rules and norms. Maruti Suzuki introduced its first Flex-Fuel prototype in India. Maruti Suzuki India showcased the Wagon R Flex-Fuel prototype model in Delhi, which is also India's first mass-segment flex-fuel car that can run on ethanol petrol blend between 20% and 85% fuel. To make the engine compatible with higher ethanol blends, new fuel system technologies like the heated fuel rail for cold start assist and ethanol sensor for ethanol percentage detection have been designed. Components like engine management system, upgraded fuel pump, and fuel injector, among others, have been developed along with upgradation of other mechanical components to ensure engine as well as vehicle durability.